First of all, SEMRush, Ahrefs, alright? And we don't need them. You know why? Because we got GPT. And I'm going to show you a better way to do keyword research than all those $100 a month fancy schmancy products. Alright, let's go. Let's get to it.
I mean, look, inflation prices are so high. Who the hell can afford Ahrefs and SEMRush, including myself? Because right now, all I can afford is tea and ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you a little GPT that I made. Hopefully, I'm going to try to have it available in the comments. So please try it and tell me if it works. Please let me know in the comment. No one's commenting. I don't know. It's frustrating. But please let me know if it works. So let's dive into it. Here it is. So here's the prompt. It's super simple. So all you have to do is plug in your URL, your website, your business, your client, copy. This is going to be a quick video, guys. Paste. And it should, every time it kind of, these GPTs are kind of iffy at some points. So right here, it's searching. We can see. And this is a great way to start the keyword research process if you don't have other tools. And yeah, there you go. It's a great starting point. So it's giving you the approximate search volume. And so it gives you a small list. And then I've set up the prompt to continue if you want. So it says, would you like some additional keyword ideas? If you say, give me some keyword ideas, type it in. Keyword ideas. If you want them to be long tail, specify it. The GPT will know to do so. And then the other thing is, or would you like me to generate some SEO titles for the provided keywords? So let's say, give me some titles, please. Always be nice. You got to be nice to the robots, okay? Because what happens when they come and, kill us all? They're going to remember that you were nice to them. I'm telling you. That's my strategy. So here we get some titles. I haven't used the title part of it actually yet. I've just used it for keyword research. Maximizing. Wait, first let's see if the keywords coincide with my website. And they do. SEO agency, SEO strategy, AI and SEO, content strategy for SEO. So landing page optimization. So a bunch of good stuff. You can expand on these or do what I did. What do we have here? Revolutionize your business. Turn your website into lead generation powerhouse. I like that. Don't mind that. Outsmart your competitors. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, this one is super basic but effective. Like sometimes you stall out if you only have one keyword for your business. This is a good way of expanding, and asking it for long tail keywords, give me some adjacent industries so you can brainstorm other keywords from that. And you don't have to pay $100 a month. And there's a bunch of free kind of keyword difficulty checkers. So you can generate your list with this prompt and with this GPT prompt. I don't know what they're going to call it now. Generate your keywords. Plug them into all the free tools that are out there, and that's it. It's a great starting point. Hope you guys use it. Please let me know comments if this thing works, okay? Please. Anyway, thanks for watching again.